So guys, this is the progress. So guys, this is the progress, and our kitchen is turning out so beautiful. So guys, this is the progress of our construction. So far so good. This is the guest bedroom or the boys bedroom, and as you can see, this is not how it was. The fundi has demolished this side, and reason is the fundis who constructed this house from the word go, they didn't do some good waterproofing, so that is why he had to demolish this lower section, so that there is something that he wants to put in the ballast, in the, what do you call it, in that concrete that they make, sand, cement, and another thing that is waterproof. So once he mixes that, he will come and now plaster all this area, and this area will no longer get in water. So this is how it is for now. Imeiva. Then this is where the door was previously. You know that I had explained that in the house tour. So still it's not yet dry. Once it's dry, we will do skimming with the white paint. Okay, so this is how it is. I can't wait to see it complete with the whole house skimming. And to our biggest project for now, that is our kitchen. Let me show you the final bit of yesterday's construction, because today is another day. Look guys, finally we have our complete kitchen. There it is. There it is guys. So the wall is demolished. The wall that was here is demolished, and that door there, it's blocked. Okay, it's a good progress. We thank God. So today they will be doing the plastering. Then if possible, the fundi will do the kitchen slab and the sink. But we are not yet sure because I guess we don't have enough materials. So we were to change this window to get another window that will be fitting. But Fundi said that instead of all that cost, he will see how he will modify these, okay, to fit in there. So we are also waiting to see how he modifies that. At least he's a good Fundi. He's someone who is giving us ideas on what we can do and how we can do things, at least even to save on our pockets. So that one is also a plus with that fundi, and we are grateful to him. So this is how it is today. Then let me show you our other project. Baba, chukua diaper, chukua hii diaper twende. So this is our toilet. For now, this is how it is. And I love the transformation. I also can't wait to see what will come out after the plastering. It will be so spacious. So stay tuned guys as we see what today will bring out. Guys, sasa inafaa ifanye hivyo hadi huko kila round.
Hata kwa sitting room.
Utatoanisha tena huko kwa sitting?
Lakini sitoanisha hivi.
Ni hasara. Sasa ingefaa kuwekwa nini? Makaratasi.
Ilikuwa inue juu, alafu hapa chini waweke karatasi.
Ndio ilikuwa inatoka rangi. Inafaa kuwekwa hivi karatasi. So guys, this is our new beginning this year after the changes we made from the previous video that you watched. Oh my god, see this. So we already blocked this door here. So this was the door that was supposed to lead us to the common washroom, which is behind there. Okay, so we closed this door and we made this kitchen. Then here we had another wall here. From that door coming all the way here, we had a wall here. So we demolished that wall, and now this is our new kitchen. So guys, I guess I am so happy to see these changes, and I feel like it is worth it. It was worth it. From the beginning, we felt so bad. We really felt so bad. But now we can see and we can feel that it was worth it. So we are so happy. At least now we will have enough space for cabinets, enough space for fridge. So the place is still not so much dry. So that will be our kitchen, guys. We are happy. We are happy for these changes.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel.